Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make iMessage stickers. Alright, so first up, open up a message or a contact right here under the Messages app. So just tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on the plus sign right here and just tap on stickers. Tap on it. And as you can see here, besides recents, you'll have this icon. This is a custom sticker icon right here. So just tap on the plus sign. Now go ahead and select the photo that you wanted to add as a custom sticker. All right. So for example, this bottle right here, and automatically the background will be erased. So go ahead and tap on add sticker at the bottom right. And as you can see, we now have it. So all you got to do is just tap on it and it will be sent by just confirming right here to send it. There you go. That's how simple it is to make iMessage stickers. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.